I'll just start again.
Did y'all hear that?
Oh, come on, you can't
What,
see
the
it in my
helicopter?
eyes.
That's horrible, babe.
RJ, go do that thing with Daddy. Go over there.
What did he do?
Wiping his feet off to the fan in our face.
He took a wipe and wiped his feet off too.
Look at his butt. Show mommy your butt. Stop it, you can't stand on me.
Come on, let's go to the water. Let's go to the water.
He going without you, babe.
I see. Bad boy.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh, here they come. They're coming back in now. I got it, babe. That's real sexy. A mess. There they are. You're making me miss the point. There's the point. And that was that. A full, what, 2 minutes? It's wet. There's a shower out there, isn't there? Put your arms in there. Oh! Wipe out. You're okay, baby. You're okay, baby. Close your eyes. Close them, not open them. There you go. to open them now, son.
My baby Lee got a little sponge butt. Swim trunks on. Sponge butt. Sponge butt.
And there's our camp.
Stop.
What's he doing, kicking sand?
Yeah, kicking sand.